Well, from tomorrow, Lloyds Banking Group will allow customers on a variable rate mortgage to overpay by 20% with no financial penalty. The scheme will last for 1 year until the 31st of March 2011. It affects the Lloyds TSB, Halifax, C&G and Bank of Scotland brands. Lloyds says that overpaying by just £50 a month could mean paying off a standard 25-year mortgage 3.5 years early. Well, James Moss is from Curzon Investment Property. James, thanks for coming into the studio.
Pleasure.
You think repayment is a good thing. Tell us how it works, just briefly.
Well, repayment is a very good thing. It's a very positive thing for the consumer. By having an accelerated repayment program, two things happen. Firstly, the amount of interest that gets paid reduces quicker. And the second thing is, of course, that the payment time, the length of time that it takes to pay the mortgage off, is accelerated much faster. So it's a very, very positive thing for the consumer, this.
Normally, it would be like turkeys voting for Christmas, wouldn't it, in some ways? Because a bank wants a mortgage to stay out there for as long as possible. So why do you think they've done it? Why are they possibly reducing their earnings potential off the mortgage?
Well, I think there are a number of reasons. I think Lloyds is one of the largest nationalised banks. And it's almost certainly so that government pressure is now kicking in, and at long last, we've seen some positive benefit for the consumer. So I think that's one of the reasons. I think the other reason is that Lloyds is in quite bad financial shape itself at the moment. It's carrying a lot of toxic mortgages, a lot of bad mortgages, and this helps them sort of clear that up, and it helps them sort of repair their balance sheets, which means it makes them financially themselves much healthier. It's very much a win-win situation, this.
If that's true, because a lot of banks are in unhealthy situations, not just Lloyds, do you expect more to follow suit?
Well, one would certainly hope that would be the case. I mean, the other financial institutions should really take note of this move. It's very positive. It's a very good start. It would be good to see the embargo to be lifted. A year is good, but no time limit would even be better, and that would help the recovery of the property market, and really would help the very hard-pressed consumer.
James, thank you very much for coming to the studio.